Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajveer, and today I am going to share with you all the book review of 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. This is another gem by Robin Sharma, guys. And like his other books, this book also a really motivating and inspiring book. But this book is quite different from his other books because in this book he have used certain theories and strategies to to bring changes in our day to day life. He talked about the morning power. He talked about like if we get up 1 hour early than our usual time every day, and so that we have the time to plan out our day, how we want to spend the day, what productive we want to do in that day, or what are the negative things which you want to just completely ignore, or which you completely want to erase from your life or erase from your day. So this book focuses more on the morning power, because guys, if we start our day with a more positive mindset, so we can easily conquer the day positively, and we will get gradually the positive results. So he is focusing more on that, and he have used certain theories which I'll show you. Like for example, see here, certain rules he used, and certain diagrams he used to explain what he want to you know say through these diagrams. He talked about mindset, soul set, heart set, and health set. So these are certain things which he used uh, in this book, and he actually is inspiring his readers to use the morning power which we have. We see more of us, like even me also, before I have not started with reading the good books in my life. So my life was also like like up and down, and it's not that what I wanted. I was stuck in a place where I don't wanted to be. But then when I have started reading the books, guys, I tell you, books have the power to change our life in a good way. Books really have the power. So slowly, I have realized about the morning powers. I used to get up. Now I used to get up early. Okay, so and I used to plan out my day, what I want to do, what I want to achieve productive in my life. And if I encounter with some negative people, how I am going to tackle that also. I used to plan out everything in the morning every day, and I used to write my journal and everything I used to do in the morning, because I personally believe that early morning have the power to change our life if we realize about that power. So in this book he have really uh, talked about the important habits which we should start in our day to day life, to change, to see the changes, to reach to our goals, to achieve our goals. So when I have started with the books, guys, the first chapter of this book is the first content when I read is the dangerous deed. So I thought it when I started it, I thought it's just a story. But the slowly, when I have I used to keep on reading more and more, then I have realized that this book actually revolves around two persons, okay, who met someone who used to change their life, who used to change their life completely in a good way. And they what are the techniques which they have used, which both of them have used, and how that person have guided them in their day to day life. So this book is all about that. I give 5 on 5 to this book. This is, you are not going to regret after buying this book. It's a must buy. At least once in a lifetime you should buy, and you should give a chance in your life. I am very sure that you will get certain ideas to change your life, guys, because we should always try to lift each other. That's what I am trying in my life. Yeah, I always want to, if I meet me I if I used to meet someone who are little bit discouraged or demotivated, I used to try to lift them up. So this book is all about that. I really want you to go and read, and just try to bring changes in your day to day life. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.